Welcome to the third rule of syllable division. The third rule of syllable division is, if you have a vowel, one consonant, and a vowel, try first dividing the word before the consonant. This makes the first syllable an open syllable. Again, there are hundreds of words in English which follow this pattern. You would refer students back to the sheet in their notebook that defines a closed syllable and an open syllable and gives examples. Review the definition for a closed syllable and have them read the definition of an open syllable. The students would be given sheets of open syllables with a dot under each sound, then the syllable, then a word with that syllable in it, just as was done for closed syllables. Students can be given lists of open syllables and asked to mark V under the vowel and put a long mark over it and then read them aloud. Next would be tasks that involve discriminating between closed and open syllables. Students would mark V under the vowel and C under the final consonant in the closed syllable and put a short mark over the vowel, and the vowel with long mark in the open syllable, then read the pair. Students can be given lists of mixed closed and open syllables and asked to label them closed or open. As with closed syllables, the teacher can use magnetic letters on the board or on a magnetic journal to build open syllables for the students to decode. Initial consonants can be manipulated. Lay, as in latex, can become ray, as in radar, as well as the final vowel. Mo, as in motel, can become my, as in minor. Magnetic open syllable cards can be made for the board and put on 3x5 cards for the same kinds of activities detailed in the closed syllable section. Then the students would begin to work with CV words on the board, on 3x5 cards, and on worksheets matching word with picture, word with definition, and choosing words to fill in the blank in the sentence. As with VCCV words, there would be phrases for reading, sentences for reading, and words for spelling dictation. When students are secure with the VCV pattern, the news can be broken to them that sometimes one needs to divide after the consonant, resulting in a first syllable that is not open but closed. This VCV pattern is less frequent than the VCV pattern, but still applies to many words. There are several pairs that demonstrate the choice: lever and level, rival and river. The students can be told to first try dividing a VCV word before the consonant, since that pattern is more common, and if that doesn't result in a plausible sounding word, to try the second choice, namely dividing after the consonant. Then the same sequence of activities would follow as for the previous types of words. There are many published materials with lists of words and activities for the VCCV, VCV, and VCV patterns. As always, there should be a review of previous types of syllables and previous rules for syllable division, and ample chance for students to find the reference sheets in their notebooks and verbalize the rules. What's next? The fourth rule of syllable division.